Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make NFTs, how to create NFTs. So this is pretty simple. So one of the first things you need to do is to draw on a piece of paper one image you want to have. So today I draw on a piece of paper uh, this gingerbread man. So what you need to do? So first we need to set the opacity to, let's say, 30. Yeah, it's good like this. And now you go to object and then lock selection. And now we go to pen tool. We set a stroke black and we go to stroke tab and we select round cap and round join. And now we start to draw with the pen tool. With a little practice, you can draw really well with this. It's not that difficult. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's an NFT, and usually the ugliest one sell. You need to have the ugliest one to be relevant in this marketplace. You can sell them on Solana or Ethereum or whatever you like. Solana is more convenient because it's cheaper. It's not that expensive like other platforms like Ethereum. So you need to be really careful with this. So we finished the outline. Now let's make more difficult stuff. The details. Make the shirt right now, the belt. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's an NFT. So NFTs can be ugly and that's fine. It's even better actually. And after we finish with the outline, we can start to color it. many people said the NFTs are the future. So who am I to say anything else? Maybe we should listen to more intelligent people than us. And as always, we should ride the wave. So we copy the eye with Alt, and we make another one. We make the eyebrow. Yeah. Let's see. We copy it again here. We use reflect, and yeah, that's it. It's pretty good. This one. It's almost ready, guys. So it's a bit difficult to use the pen tool, but with a bit of practice, everything can be very easy. So let's do in this way. And now we select this one and we make it a bit beautiful. So we hold Alt, and every single time we hold Alt when we want to copy something. It's almost ready. I think it's quite beautiful. I know it looks ugly now, but we will use the shape tool builder, the shape builder tool, and you will see everything will come out perfect. So don't worry, it looks like this now. So we select everything and we go to shape builder tool and we click every piece, every little piece here, and now we go like this and like this. We make the buckle. We click every single piece we want to stay. So like this is really, really good here. And now like this. As you can see, it's coming together. Here it's outside, we don't need that piece, don't need that part. Yes, it's all coming together. So as you can see, it's really beautiful right now. And I forgot to make the lips, no problem, we make it now. So let's make it like this. I think it looks really good. So yep, it's kind of finished. So we delete the leftovers, we don't need the small lines. It's a bit difficult, but it's not that hard. It's easier in this way because you don't need to be that precise. And when you're a beginner, I'm a beginner myself, it's it's complicated to be really precise and to make everything perfect. So it's almost ready. Oopsie. Let's make it perfect. Yep, that's great. Okay. Yep. And our gingerbread man, it's ready. So what we'll do next is to color him. So I already put some colors here. So you select what parts you want to color, and you go on the eyedropper tool here on the left hand side, you select it, and we have the color we want. And we can make this part, we can make it white right now. We can make it white. It's pretty easy, as you can see. And this part, let's make it a bit, yeah, like this. And this part again, yeah, that's good. And the head a bit darker, like this. And the eyebrows, the eyes, the mouth, it's gonna be white. And again, this part will be white too. Yes, that's good. And what's left? This part's left. So let's make this part will be green. As you can see, it's green now. Let's make this part a bit darker. Yeah, and those ones will be white. And these are the last ones. So yeah, those ones are white. So this is our NFT. Now we go to object, unlock all. We delete the one from the background. We make the background, arrange, send to back, and let's choose a color. I think this one, maybe a pale one. Yeah, like this. And now we have an NFT. So that's all, guys. All you have to do after this is to go to export window, and we go to export. I don't see it here. Anyway, you can go to file, to export as, and you choose whatever you like, and you can export as PNG, and You can give it a medium one, that's perfect, and you just export it. So see you guys. If you have any questions, and if you liked it, you can leave a like, please. You can comment if you have any questions. I will answer. The question can be asked in the comment section below the video. See you guys. Have a good day. Bye.